Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on how to set up and modify online campaigns in the marketing suite of Cortex. So the first thing you're going to want to do is actually log into your Cortex website and click this marketing suite icon here. And then you'll be brought to the marketing suite dashboard. Go ahead and click campaigns and then create new campaign. Let's do an online campaign. Let's go ahead and set this up to be a Facebook necklace promo. That's a perfect campaign name. And we'll say what type of campaign is this. We're going to actually, in this tutorial, cover links, QR codes, promo codes, and pay-per-click campaigns. We're going to cover email in a separate video since it's so complex. Let's go ahead and set this up as a link. And what we're going to do is it's going to ask us what URL are you using for a landing page. So that means what page do you actually want them to be taken to when they click this link. And we'll we'll copy and paste it in our actual URL here. Again, this is our testing URL. Where are you going to place a link to this campaign? We're going to put it on Facebook. What reward do they get? Let's say we're going to give them 10% of a discount. We want to require a promo code. We always recommend using a promo code. That way, users will be forced to actually be coming from the Facebook campaign and using the actual promo code that you've given them, and can't go in and possibly just get a bunch of discounts by using some clever tricks to do such a thing. But again, like I said, we just always recommend that you have a promo code here. We'll come in and set up a cost later. We'll run this campaign today and tomorrow. As you can see here, here's the actual generated URL for the campaign, and this is the URL that we'll use when we make our actual Facebook page post. So we'll hit copy, and again, this URL is a testing URL that we're using for our local machine here. What your URL will look like is www.yourdomain.com/beautifulnecklace. So again, I just want to clarify that. So go ahead and copy that. And when you actually make your Facebook post, you will copy and paste this URL in when you're creating the post. So let's go ahead and hit save. And now Cortex will track how many visits you're getting from people clicking that link. And then whenever anybody uses the promo code, it will also be able to track what their order statistics are and how much they're spending, that sort of a thing. So that was how to set up a link. Let's go ahead and click another new online one. Let's do a QR code this time. And since there's not a lot of online campaigns that use QR codes, it's not a natural thing to do. You would typically set a QR code up in more like a print ad, which we have QR codes that you can also add within your print ad. But again, we'll just show you how to add it online if you were going to post an image on a forum or on your Twitter account or your Instagram, just for fun. Go ahead and click QR code. We'll do Instagram QR code. What URL are you using for a landing page? Let's actually pick this gent's watch right here. And we're going to place a link to this campaign. Instagram. What reward do they get? 10%. Or actually, let's make it a discount amount here. Let's go $10. And we'll require a promo code. 10 off. When is this campaign valid? We'll make it work tomorrow and Friday. And then here's the actual generated QR image for the campaign. Go ahead and right click and hit save as, and save it to your desktop so that you can actually post this item on the Instagram page. Hit save, and now anytime someone scans that QR code into their phone and heads to your website, they will be tracked. Again, hits, purchases, all of those things. So let's go in here again and create another campaign. Let's do a promo code. That's pretty self-explanatory. You're basically going to set up a promo code. You're going to say what reward they get. Again, buy X item, get a free item. So let's do that real fast. Let's go. Let's say they if they buy the test product or any of the child products for the test product one, if they buy that, we'll give them a free SKU. And so that's our actual SKU for a free product. So once they add those two things to the cart, they'll be given this particular item for free. It's very simple. Free item for our promo code. We'll set that up for the weekend here. And we'll hit save. Now whenever, we gotta put in a campaign name. Free item on forum. So go ahead, hit save, and now anybody who uses that particular promo code will get a free item when they add those things to their cart. Let's go on here and do one final item. This is the pay-per-click campaign. Now, pay-per-click campaigns don't actually have discounts because you're just trying to track what the user is doing when they show up from a pay-per-click campaign. So this is a really easy Google product campaign. This is a really easy way to just set up a pay-per-click campaign. Really simple. Now, if you wanted to add a discount, you would do a link instead and use that as the URL within your page. But for instance, or for this particular instance, for pay-per-click, we're not doing any discounts. We're just trying to track what our ROI is from our campaign. So let's, as you can see here, we have the campaign ID. Now this is really important because after every URL, you need to add a question mark, campaign ID equals 27. So for instance, if we were gonna put this product as our actual link within our Google pay-per-click campaign, we would come back over here, let's fire up Notepad, we'll paste that URL in, and we'll go campaign ID equals 27. Now this is the proper email or the proper URL for our campaign when we set it up in Google AdWords. Let's go ahead and click save, and now whenever anybody shows up to the site for that particular pay-per-click campaign, it'll be tracked, ROI, again, all the data and metrics that you could imagine. Let's go ahead and look at those metrics here. Go ahead and click on the intelligence item, click on campaigns, we'll hit find campaign, we'll go Instagram QR code. As you can see, there's no data in here right now, but this will track all the information that you could possibly really need or want for this particular campaign. That pretty much covers our overview of the online campaign area. Again, we will cover the email portion in a separate video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email us, support@cortexcommerce.com. Thanks.